What's good, y'all? Don Bucks, host from Creative Rap and Dope. And this is Cheef and Chart, brought to you by Rap and Dope. So this is the live trading edition. And of course, I'm your man, Don Bucks. And yo, it's been an interesting week so far. I'm gonna try to put this have my video on today. Try to fix that. I'm still working on that. But if this is your first time tapping in, we're talking about options trading. And of course, rapping those the home of money, conversations, and solutions. So options trading has been one of my solutions that I've been offering to the world. This is not financial advice, though. This is for educational purposes only. You dig? So with that being said, make sure you hit the like and subscribe notification bell so you know when I'm going live. If you're somebody that wants to gain more confidence in your options trading, I'm going to be sharing my screen. If you haven't already, feel free to hit the description of this channel to grab my free checklist. Because the checklist is going to talk about everything that I'm going to be talking about today. Let's see how this looks. Because the last time I had two of me on the screen. It's looking crazy. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I can screen. See what happens. Bear with me for a second, y'all. But yeah, options trading. So, like I said, this is your first time tapping in. Options trading is a way to turn small money into big money, like my coach says, my coach Todd Billy. He always said you turn small money into big money with options trading. So how do I see here? I'm trying to be on the screen with y'all, but it's trying to hate. But yeah, we have 10 minutes till open. Yeah, y'all gonna have to do without me on the screen today, y'all. I'm gonna figure that out. Try to be on the screen with y'all, but it is what it is. Actually, you know what? Let's see something here. It don't take me long to show y'all what I need to show y'all. So we got 10 minutes to open. Turn my screen on. And here, let's see what we did. See if that worked. But it's bigger. Ooh, we got action. We got action this morning, y'all. And if you've been tapped in this week, y'all know we got action. Because if y'all see denoted by that arrow down there, this arrow denoted by that arrow, we're above the zero line on the MACD. Right? No, we don't use a lot of indicators. We use the MACD and the Bollinger Band in our levels. So indicated by that blue arrow right here, we're above the zero line, which we've been above the zero line for a minute. Y'all know that's one of our parameters. In addition, the blue line is above the orange. So when that happens, when we add that plus this to a red bar, that's called a momentum divergence. Now you could have caught that momentum divergence right here on this red bar right there. Let me try to draw an arrow on it right here. As you can see, corresponds down here. The blue line was above the orange, in addition to it being above the zero line. Look what happened next. In 1, 2, 3 days, could have took profit from 448 all the way up to 456. That's a lot of money in options trading. It's a lot of money. That's if he was trading the SPY. But we look at the SPY because the SPY represents and mirrors the overall market. The SPY mirrors and represents the overall market. So that's why we look at the SPY and see what the chart is doing on the SPY, because a lot of times out of 10, your stock is going to be looking similar chart-wise. A lot of times out of 10. Anybody wondering, I'm Cheef and Misty runs this morning. Misty runs. But as y'all can see here, it's following through, because with that being above the zero line, we're looking for upside, especially when the blue line is above the orange. We're going up, right? We also have to, keep an eye on how it's moving within the Bollinger Bands. Is it extreme? Do it got room to run? As of right now, we see it had room to run, and it's breaking pre-market. It broke this level here. This green level, it broke it. You see it's up here this morning. So it's running. So a lot of our stocks are going to run today too, if you're in stuff. If you're not in something, you're going to be looking forward to pull back. You're going to be looking forward to test this level that it just broke. And that is going to form another momentum divergence. All right, so that's what you're going to be looking for. But remember, you can't always see these red bars on the daily. So you would have to drop down into a trading time frame. So you can see way more bars, way more action of what's going on in that one bar that we was just looking at. Now you have several to see what's going on. So now you can see a red bar within a green bar. It's way more than just buying going on in this bar. As you can see, it's not full. So there's buying and selling. In order to see the red selling, you have to drop down into a time frame to see the red selling within the bar. So here you want to catch one of those sell areas after, as you see it, broke. Now, what's the next level up? Because I think it done broke the next level that it was supposed to go up to. Next level up, I believe, was 457. I think it done broke 457. Let me see. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, 457, and I broke it. Yep. So the next level up is 462. So this is where it wants to go next, 462. So we can look for that, but then shit, might be by tomorrow or Monday, but then we can look for it to pull back unless it breaks that level. But we can definitely look forward to relax when it gets here, unless it breaks it. If it breaks it, the next level up after that is 473. But remember, we're looking for the pullback, the red bar, so it can form a momentum divergence. All right. So we got 3 minutes till open. We are in PayPal still. PayPal doing this morning. PayPal's up $1 almost this morning. I look to be cashing this out today because it's approaching my strike price. You don't want to wait all the way to the strike, all the way to your level, because people are going to be looking to take profit at the level. So you get out before the level to get, you know what I mean? So it don't start pulling back on you. So this is where it's going. Next level up after that is 76. So yeah, I'll wait for it to break 74 if I was going to take this next job, but I'll probably just take this and move on. We are also in this, hopped in here, CLF. This is up, looking to break the level. Look what it's doing down here. Look what we got here. Blue line crossing above the orange, and we're above the 0 line with the red bar. What does that mean? I know what that means. We have a momentum divergence. So this is poised to go up. We up pre-market. But I need it to break. I think it's going to break that level that it's at. Kind of broke it already, but it's shooting for here 1850. But I got time on that contract, so I gave that some time to do that. I gave that till September. So that's what, 2 months from now, give or take. So I'm basically giving it a month to get here. So we're in that, and we're in PayPal. Of course, we're in Nike. Oh, market is open. Market is open, y'all. Oh, bring this down. That action. So remember, see, look, another momentum divergence going on there. But let's look at the SPY. Because this is the overall market. See what the SPY doing. Look, it broke the level. Here's the test. Here's the test. Broke the level, and it's testing it. But here's a momentum divergence. That's what I was telling you he was looking for. All right, look. We have this. All right, we're above the 0 line. All right, plus this. This is a momentum divergence. And this is a perfect textbook example because it's testing a level that it broke. This is textbook. Because a lot of people want to get in before it breaks the level. And sometimes it'll reject. But if it breaks, and then here's your test, that plus this is, you know what I mean? But you want to wait and see how far it's going to come down first. You can jump the gun, right? But I want to see if it actually comes down to this level. I don't think it is. I think this is about to be a strong pause. Because look, it's crossing over down here. It's crossing over into 2 hour too. Look. So momentum divergence, people are buying this. This is not going to come down much. Y'all see that? Crossing over above the zero line. Red bar. People that know what we know or what you know right now are buying this right now. So this is not going to come down too much further. This is a buy signal. That's a buy signal. And that very well may be a level that is bouncing off of. Let's see. Go back far enough. Look, it'll turn green. See? People are buying that. See what I'm saying? That was a momentum divergence. People were buying that. So look, it turned green already. So you would have caught it when it was red. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I believe it's going to be another chance. You may have another chance. It's still early, only 3 minutes into the market. And plus, it's extreme on the Bollinger Band. It's going to come back in. So it's going to come down a tad, I believe, after this morning bum rush. So some folks made money already. Us, we not buying this just yet. We want to see red, and plus we know it's extreme on the Bollinger Band. So that means it has to come back in at some point. So what does that mean? We buying this, I will be putting my buy price close to the bid, which is the cheaper price. If you took my course, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, feel free to go to the description of this channel and grab that. It's on sale. But it's extreme on the Bollinger Band. So I believe it's going to come down to at least here, to the level it broke. While the Bollinger Bands expand a little bit and compensate for the price action. So I would dare to bet money that right now it's bouncing off of some level. Let's go back. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Look, I knew it. I knew it. That might be a half an hour level. I knew it. I knew it. See, look. Once the Bollinger Bands need to compensate for this price action. So, yep, look. It's bouncing off of this half an hour level right here. This is a half an hour level. See, I knew it was bouncing off of something. Pause. Let's see here. Right here. It's bouncing off this. How far back is that level? This level was from 2022, March. Price has memory. Like that from full auto. Full auto. Said price has memory. What's my man name? No, that's his Instagram. Full auto something. OG though. OG in this shit. I'm just doing this to make a point, to illustrate my point that this was a half an hour level. Like when you see the price action, the bar forming pins at the bottom, like, yo, this must be a level that it's bouncing off of. Sure. There. See, I got a pin at the bottom. It's bouncing off of the level. So then I knew it. You see the pin at the bottom? That means price been there before. So now the boundary bands have to compensate for this pure. So let's go back to the daily. It's not that extreme on the daily, but it's still a level that it's bouncing off of. Oh, so if you see this on the daily, you know it got room to run. The SPY is room. As you can see, it's up $3 this morning. So yeah, it's bouncing off this level right here. So we got action today. Let's look at PayPal. Boom. Yeah, let's go, baby. Show me what you got. Little mama. Show me what you got, pretty lady. Well, I think we're going to 76 today. I think she got juice. Yeah, I think she got juice. She want to go. So I'm gonna take profit very soon. Very soon. PayPal. Actually, nah, man, I'm supposed to be holding this chart. I'm supposed to be holding that chart. I got a August 25th expiration. What we shooting for? Because PayPal used to be hella expensive. I think we shooting for we got hella room in the boundary band. I think we shooting for 90. I think we shooting for 90. August 25th. So that means we holding this for a couple weeks. I just bought that yesterday. Yeah, I ain't taking profit on this yet. These other accounts though. Yeah, nah, I ain't taking profit on that. Let that marinate. See, it's the stuff. Yeah. This is the beauty of options trading. This is the beauty. Okay, so when did I get this one? 2 days ago. We're up 26% on PayPal on this one. take profit. Go ahead and take profit on this one. Hold up, Emma. Oh, we breaking. Want to break? That's a strong bar. Looks like we want to break. I think I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to this for a bit. But she wants to break, baby. Oh yeah. See this level? This previous level right here. This previous level. I'm looking forward to break that I was kind of talking about. Like, see, look. Ah, there it go. Look like she want to break it though. Ooh, let's see how much strength she got. See? So you gotta know your levels. And this is what I meant. Some people think like, okay, it's about to break this level. Let me get in now. And then it'll get there and it'll fail. And they'll be mad. This is why we don't get in on green bars. We wait for it to break. Or we'll wait for this to turn red. If this was a red bar with the momentum divergence, I'll be more confident. Uh-oh, look. That jaw breaking. But I'll be more confident if it was a red bar getting in. Maybe you can find one back here. Maybe you can find a red bar. Maybe this one right here. But I don't see nothing. So maybe if one of these was red, I'll get in it. There, like this one right here. Boom. I'll get in right there. Look at the combination. See the combination? Above the zero line, blue line above the orange, momentum divergence. Boom, green bar. Ah, there you go. She gonna break. Look, they go another one. They go another chance. They go another chance. Ah, go again. Another chance. This is why you gotta have your computer in front of you and your phone in your hand, whatever device you're using to trade, so you can be on it. Yep. Buy signal, momentum divergence. That's gonna break today. This keeps happening. So people are buying that every time. They're buying that. Love this game. Of course, after I learned it, I love it. Uh, your shirt, boy. You don't know what you're doing. On the way here, that's why I'm giving y'all the shortcut now. I'm trying to save y'all the trouble. It's definitely a buy signal. But like I said, me personally, I'll wait for it to break a level. I said I will be more confident if I seen a red bar before the level, but not as confident if I seen it break the level and then test it with a red bar with this combination. Just for clarification. Because in the beginning I was saying like some people jump the gun, but you got to recognize this is the level and it could fail or it could break. So are you willing to take that risk, or are you just going to go ahead and take your profit? But you have to be able to gauge that based off of your expiration date. What type of expiration date do you have? You got time on it. You see your parameters still in place. There's no need to panic and sell. That's where the patience comes in at. While that's cooking, let's look at CLF. So here we have another momentum divergence. It looks like it broke a level, and here's the test. See the pin at the bottom? That means people are buying it back up. So that means it's sold and people are buying it from this level. So momentum divergence, blue line above the orange, above the zero line, red bar. We have room on the Bollinger Band. All right. So the next level up, of course, would be 18. And this seems to be a slow mover. So you would probably have to put time on your contract. A month, maybe. Actually, this is the level right here. The top of this area is the level. So then the next level up actually would be 1871. So this is a slow mover, seems like. But our parameters are in place. Just gotta let it cook. Let it cook, man. Let it cook, pardon me. But yeah, that's all I got. Just to wrap it up, let's look at the SPY. Testing a level with the momentum divergence. So a lot of stocks are probably doing that, just like we just looked at PayPal was doing it. We looked at CLF is doing it. And that's what we got. So look for further upside. With that, if you need help with these options, feel free to hit the description of this channel, grab the course, grab the free checklist, hit the comments section. It's your man, Don Bucks. See y'all tomorrow.